The dataset we chose to store in this phase of Slingshot competition is the UK Biobank Pan-Ancestry Summary Statistics. The UK Biobank is a collection of 500,000 individuals with paired genetic and phenotype information that has been enormously valuable in studies of genetic etiology for common diseases and traits. There are a few types of files to download. The per phenotype flat files, which is easiest to use. The HAIL format and the LD matrices. In this phase, we are storing the per phenotype flat files. To download the files, we need to first install OSCLI through apt package manager. We can then browse the files using AWS S3 list command. Those are the per phenotype flat files. Finally, we can use AWS S3 sync command to download all those files. To merge those files into archives to be stored on Filecoin network, we use a script to combine them into tar archives. The script will make sure each archive is less than 32 GB and will also generate list of files contained in each archives to build index later. To retrieve the data from the network, you can use our web UI to browser or search for files. You can browse all the content we have stored for this project. You can search for file name. You can also search for deal ID or the miner ID. Once you've decided what to download, you can click the download button to see detailed download instructions. You can download using the traditional HTTP way from AWS directly. You may also download from our cache layer. Or you can run the native Lotus command to download from Filecoin network. If you already know the subfile you need to download, you can also search by the subfile name in the search UI. Those are the subfiles in the archive. Here I'm going to copy the Lotus command and use it in a Linux command line. In a Linux command line, you can paste the command from the web UI and execute it to download the file to local file system. Once the file is downloaded, you can then extract the archive using tar. You can then examine the extracted files. Those files is compressed TSV, so we can decompress them using gunzip. Finally, you can import the TSV files into Excel or Python for further analysis. Here I'm using less to examine the first few lines.